Hey everybody, Mark Kennedy here from Monorail. Give you an update on some things that I know about the stock market and how I can pass that on to you. Let's talk about risk tolerance. I encourage investors to take as much risk as they feel comfortable with, where they can sleep at night. If you're investing in the stock market and you're a young person and you are invested 100% in stocks, over a long period of time, you're going to make a fantastic rate of return. But there are going to be times when the market declines, gets into a bear market. That's a drop of 20% or more. A 20% drop may not sound like a lot, but as your portfolio grows and you get to $100,000, losing 20% of that gets kind of scary. If that kind of drop makes you uncomfortable, then your risk tolerance is not high enough for that asset allocation, which means you got to change your asset allocation. You can be 100% in stocks or 100% in bonds, depending on your risk tolerance, or anywhere in between. And at Monorail, you can invest in our Patriot portfolio and choose the risk tolerance that's right for you. We find that the more risk people take, the better returns that they get. But if they take too much risk and they can't sleep at night, then it's not a risk tolerance that you want to live with, because you want to be a happy investor, not a scared investor. I've been doing this for a long time. Me personally, I have a balanced portfolio of risk and safe stocks. I've been doing this a long time, so my risk tolerance is maybe a little higher than somebody else's who hasn't been involved for a long time, because if you were around in April, it got a little scary. Market got down almost 20%, but it didn't. It stopped and turned around and came back again. So you have to have a risk tolerance and asset allocation appropriate for your comfort level. The more comfortable you are with it, the better off you will be over a long period of time. Because the worst thing that could possibly happen is you invest in a portfolio, the market goes down, you get scared out of the market, and you can't make the money back if you sell all your stocks. Did you know that if the stock market were to drop by 50%, and you get out of the market, you'll book that loss and you'll never recover from it? But if you have a 50% decline in the market and it goes up, it has to go up by 100% because you have half the money in order for you to break even. So again, you don't want to be trading in and out of the marketplace. You want to find an asset allocation that you can sleep well at night with. So if you do that, log on to Monorail, buy our Patriot portfolio, answer the risk questions that we give you, and we'll direct you towards the portfolio that's probably most appropriate for you. That's all I have to say on that. I appreciate you tuning in. We'll give you more insights as to what's going on in the stock market.